Hey guys, so today we're going to be making some garlic butter and lemon baked chicken breast. It's so flavorful and super easy to make, so let's get started. Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to keep it on. So you want to take your chicken breast and slice it in half, going down the middle lengthwise. Okay, so instead of having one whole chicken breast, you're going to have two pieces. So I have 4 pieces of chicken breast here, and I already washed it and cleaned it. And then you want to use paper towel to pat dry the chicken really well to remove any extra water on it. Okay, next I drizzled my chicken with some olive oil. So drizzle in a little bit of olive oil. That is going to help the seasoning to stick really well on the chicken. Next we're going to season the chicken. So to season the chicken today, I'm using salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning. So if you don't have Italian seasoning on hand, you can use oregano, dried parsley flakes, dried thyme leaves, rosemary. Any of those kinds of seasoning will work perfectly to replace the Italian seasoning. Okay, so season the chicken with that. Plus I'm also going to add in some chili powder, garlic powder, and adobo seasoning. And you want to season all sides of each pieces of your chicken. So once seasoned, you can cover it and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Okay guys, so next you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and then I'm getting my baking dish and I'm gonna spray the baking dish with some non-stick cooking spray to prevent the chicken from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Alright, next I sliced up some onions, so about half of an onion, and I'm going to place that into the bottom of my baking dish. Next I'm going to add in a few sprigs of thyme, fresh thyme, and fresh rosemary leaves. Alright, try to use fresh thyme and rosemary in this dish because it's going to smell so good while it's cooking, and it's going to taste so good when it's done. Okay, so next you want to take the seasoned pieces of chicken and you're going to place it into the baking dish on top of the fresh herbs and the onion. Next I'm taking a few lemon slices and I'm just going to place it on top of the chicken. I'm not adding too much lemon, just about 4 slices. And once you do that, you guys, you're going to place the chicken into the oven at 375 degrees and you're going to bake it for about 20 minutes. Okay, so while the chicken is baking, we're going to prepare the garlic butter sauce that's going to go on top of the chicken. Okay, so you want to get a saucepan or a frying pan, and over medium low heat we're going to add in a few tablespoons of butter. So I added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and next you're going to add in some minced garlic. So I have a few cloves of minced garlic here, and I'm just going to add it into the pot with the butter, and also some freshly chopped cilantro. Okay, and you guys, you're going to give that a good stir and let it cook for about 3 minutes over low heat, medium low heat. You don't want it on high heat because then the garlic is going to burn on you. Okay, so you want it on medium to medium low heat to allow the garlic to take its time and like release its flavor into the butter. Okay, and once the garlic softens for about 3 minutes or so, you're going to turn off the stove. Okay guys, so after about 20 to 25 minutes, this is my chicken. It's about halfway to almost done cooking. It's not fully cooked yet. It needs to cook for about 15 to 20 more minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to take the garlic butter sauce we just made and I'm going to pour it all over my chicken on top of it. So make sure you pour everything in there, the garlic, the parsley, the butter, everything into the chicken. If you want, you could give it a mix in the sauce if you'd like. And that's it, you guys. We're gonna put it back into the oven to finish baking. So like I said, I'm gonna put it back for about 15 more minutes for the chicken to be fully cooked. The chicken, if you're using a thermometer, the chicken needs to be at 165 degrees to be fully cooked. Okay, and once the chicken is fully cooked, that is it for this very easy but so delicious recipe. Super easy to make, I told you guys. So yeah, Okay, and when it comes out of the oven, it's gonna look like this and looking so delicious. The sauce below the chicken with the onions is just as flavorful. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this recipe. Dinner ready in like 30 to 40 minutes. So easy to make and super delicious. So that is it. So all that's left to do now is to take the chicken, let it cool for a few minutes, then slice it up and serve. And that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you give the recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below how it turned out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.